Local officials opposed having large crowds gather on the National Mall and nearby areas, saying it violates health guidelines during a surge in coronavirus cases. But the administration controls the federal property and is going ahead. The Department of Interior says it will have 300,000 face masks ready to hand out during the fireworks and flyovers of military aircraft. Presumptive Democratic presidential nominee in many parts of the country this weekend. One of those new cases is a member of President Trump's inner circle. Kimberly Guilfoyle, a top campaign fundraiser and the girlfriend of President Trump's oldest son, tested positive for the virus yesterday. Donald Trump Jr. tested negative. The couple was in South Dakota but did not travel with the president. They are self-isolating as a precaution. Nationwide, there were more than 57,000 new confirmed cases reported yesterday, according to Johns Hopkins University researchers. New daily cases are increasing in 39 states, with sharp upticks in California, Arizona, Texas, and Mississippi, according to the New York Times data. Florida reported 11,458 new cases today, a new record for daily cases. While the number of new cases is increasing, new deaths per day are declining. Experts say the numbers reflect better treatments and the fact that younger people who are less likely to become severely ill account for more of the new cases. Globally, there are more than 11 million confirmed coronavirus cases, according to researchers at Johns Hopkins. But after months of lockdowns, restrictions continue to ease in many places. In England, pubs and restaurants opened today for the first time since March. It's the biggest step yet in the country's gradual easing of coronavirus restrictions. Patrons need to stay 1 meter, about 3 feet, from each other, and no one is allowed to stand at the bar, but mask wearing is optional. Barber shops, museums, and libraries also reopened today with social distancing restrictions. But not all of the United Kingdom is open. Each of the UK's 4 nations, England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, are lifting restrictions independently. In Brazil, bars and restaurants also reopened in parts of the country this week, despite the second largest coronavirus outbreak in the world behind the United States. On Friday, Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro vetoed parts of a law that would have required face masks indoors when large groups gather. Bolsonaro has downplayed the severity of the pandemic despite increasing numbers of infections and deaths in Latin America's largest country. Washington's envoy to Afghanistan continues